हेलो किड्स इस वीडियो में हम टेस्ट करेंगे A B C D A to Z. Let's learn colors name: blue, red, orange, yellow, sky blue, green, pink color. Kids, we are tracing letter A. This is letter B. This is letter C. Now we are tracing letter D. Kids, this is letter E. Now we are tracing letter F. Kids, this is letter G. H. This is letter H. I. Kids, this is letter J. Now we are tracing letter K. This is letter L. M. Kids, we are tracing letter N. This is letter O. P. Kids, we are tracing letter Q. Letter R. This is letter S. Kids, we are tracing letter T. This is letter U. V. Kids, we are tracing letter W. This is letter X. Kids, we are tracing letter Y. This is letter Z. Kids, read again: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thanks for watching.